Have you ever stopped to ponder what lies beneath your feet? The ground beneath us, the very earth we walk on, holds mysteries and secrets that are billions of years old. Welcome to the extraordinary world of geology, the science that peels back the layers of the Earth's crust to reveal the story of our planet. Imagine, if you will, a detective story. But this isn't your typical whodunit. This is a tale of time and pressure, a saga of fire and ice, written in the language of rocks, minerals, and fossils. This is geology, the study of the Earth, and it's a story that's still being written. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, from the baking heat of desert sands to the frozen expanses of the polar ice caps, our planet is a complex, ever-changing system. And it's up to geologists, the detectives of the Earth, to decipher the clues and uncover the secrets of our world's past, present, and future. But geology isn't just for scientists in lab coats. No, my friends, the beauty of geology is that it's a science that's open to everyone. Each one of us can be a geologist, exploring the world around us, asking questions, seeking answers, and the best part? You don't need a fancy lab or expensive equipment. All you need is curiosity and a sense of adventure. And that's where DIY experiments come in. These fun, hands-on activities let you delve into earth science right in your own home or backyard. You can create your own mini earthquakes, build a homemade barometer, or even simulate a volcanic eruption. Each experiment is a journey of discovery, a chance to learn about the forces that shape our world and the processes that have sculpted it over billions of years. So, are you ready to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the Earth? Now prepare for a journey to the center of the Earth right from your home. Ever wondered how earthquakes occur? Today you'll experience it firsthand. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the fascinating world of geology by creating our very own mini earthquake. Yes, you heard it right, a mini earthquake right in the comfort of your own home. But don't worry, this won't leave any cracks in your walls. All you need for this thrilling experiment is a large sponge, a ruler, and a rubber band. Let's start by taking our sponge and ruler. Wrap the rubber band around the sponge and the ruler, making sure the ruler sticks out a little bit. This setup may seem simple, but it will help us understand one of the most powerful natural phenomena on our planet. Now press down on the end of the ruler that's sticking out from the sponge. What happens? The ruler springs back up, right? This is where the science comes in. Our Earth's crust, or the outermost layer, is made up of several large pieces called tectonic plates. These plates don't just sit still, they're constantly moving, albeit very, very slowly. Imagine the sponge as the Earth's crust, and the ruler as a tectonic plate. When pressure builds up along the edges of these plates, just like when we press down on the ruler, it has to be released somehow. And when it does, it's released in the form of an earthquake, just like the ruler springing back up. The severity of an earthquake depends on how much pressure is released. Small amounts of pressure result in smaller tremors, often unnoticed by humans. But when large amounts of pressure are released, we get the destructive earthquakes that can cause significant damage. Isn't it amazing how a simple sponge and ruler can help us understand such a complex and awe-inspiring natural event? Who knew geology could be so hands-on and fun? Congratulations, you've just created your own mini earthquake. With each experiment, you're becoming more and more of a geology whiz. Let's continue our journey into the depths of Earth science. How about predicting the weather like a real meteorologist? Sounds fascinating, right? Well, get ready because we're about to delve into the world of atmospheric pressure with our next experiment, building a homemade barometer. To make our DIY barometer, we'll need 4 simple items that you likely have lying around your house. First, grab a clear, empty jar. This will serve as the base of our barometer. Next, find a balloon. We're going to use this to create a sensitive surface that can respond to changes in air pressure. Thirdly, we'll need a straw, which will act as an indicator. And lastly, a rubber band to secure everything in place. So how do we put it all together? Start by cutting the balloon in half. Stretch the top half over the mouth of the jar, making sure it forms a tight seal. This is where our rubber band comes in. Wrap it around the rim to keep the balloon firmly in place. Now take your straw and place it on top of the balloon with one end slightly hanging over the edge of the jar. Secure the straw with a piece of tape, but be careful not to tape it too tightly. We want the straw to move up and down freely as the air pressure changes. Now let's take a moment to understand how this contraption works. The air inside the jar is at a certain pressure. When the atmospheric pressure outside the jar increases, it pushes down on the balloon, causing the straw to rise. Conversely, when the atmospheric pressure decreases, the balloon pushes outwards and the straw falls. By observing these changes, we can predict the weather. Rising pressure often indicates sunny skies, while falling pressure may hint at an approaching storm. And there you have it. With just a few household items, you've created a device that can help you predict the weather. Isn't science fascinating? Now you have your own weather forecasting tool. So next time you're curious about the day's weather, why not check your homemade barometer first? Ready for some explosive fun? Let's create a volcanic eruption. For this experiment, we're going to need some household items: a small bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring. These are all the ingredients we need to simulate our very own volcanic eruption. First, take your small bottle and fill it up halfway with baking soda. This is going to act as our magma, or molten rock, that gets forced out of a volcano during an eruption. Next, add a few drops of red food coloring to your vinegar. The vinegar is going to be our eruptive catalyst, and the red food coloring will give it that fiery lava look. Once you've got your red vinegar ready, it's time for the fun part. Pour the vinegar into the bottle with the baking soda and watch as your homemade volcano erupts. Now you might be wondering what just happened. Well, when you mix the vinegar and baking soda, it created a chemical reaction. The vinegar, or acetic acid, reacts with the baking soda, which is a base called sodium bicarbonate, to form carbon dioxide gas. This gas gets trapped in the liquid, forming bubbles that rise to the surface and cause the eruption. In a real volcano, the process is somewhat similar, but on a much grander scale. Magma, or molten rock, rises to the surface through cracks in the Earth's crust, driven by the pressure of gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor trapped within the magma. When the pressure gets too high, it forces the magma out of the volcano, causing an eruption. By simulating a volcanic eruption at home, we're able to get a small glimpse into the powerful geological processes that shape our planet. It's a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of Earth and the fascinating science that helps us understand it. And there you have it, a volcanic eruption right in your home. The Earth beneath us is far more than just dirt and rocks. As we've ventured through the fascinating world of Earth science, we've uncovered the hidden secrets of geology, simulated the raw power of an earthquake, built our very own barometer, and even witnessed the thrilling spectacle of a volcanic eruption. Each experiment, though straightforward, has provided us with a window into the complex and intricate workings of our planet. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane. From unveiling the secrets of geology, we learned that the Earth beneath our feet is a treasure trove of valuable information, offering insights into the planet's history and the processes that have shaped it. By creating a mini earthquake, we got a first-hand experience of seismic activities, helping us understand the immense energy that lies dormant beneath the Earth's crust. Our journey didn't stop there. We built a homemade barometer, a simple yet powerful tool that demonstrated how atmospheric pressure impacts our weather. And who could forget the simulated volcano eruption? This captivating experiment illustrated the volatile nature of our planet and the dynamic processes that mold its landscape. The beauty of Earth science lies in its ability to make sense of the world around us. It feeds our innate curiosity, equipping us with the knowledge to understand the whys and hows of the Earth's phenomena. These experiments, though simple, have taken us on a journey of discovery, demonstrating the complex geological and environmental concepts that govern our planet. Understanding Earth science is not just about knowledge acquisition, it's about fostering a deep appreciation for our planet, its processes, and the intricate systems that sustain life. It's about understanding our place in the world and the impact we have on it. So as we conclude our Earth science exploration, remember this: the world around us is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered, and each one of us has the ability to uncover these mysteries. Remember, the journey to understanding our planet begins with curiosity. Keep exploring.